Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change app icon size on your Android phone. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is find the settings app here. I'm swiping up to get to my app library, but you can find it on your phone. And then open up the settings app. Now once you open up settings app, we're going to look for essentially the home screen here. So we're going to tap on home screen. And in the home screen, you might see an option that says app size. So if you want to increase the app size, you go ahead and basically drag this out all the way and then go back and check if you like that size. Now there's another way you can also increase it. If you didn't like that, you can also go to where it says app screen grid. You can tap on that. And right here, as you can see here, I have these screens. If I wanted to make them bigger, instead of about 4:6, I'll do 5:6 as an option. So that's another option. As you can see here, the apps are now big, and then you hit done and then go back and check it out, and you can see here the app icon will be bigger. So depending on how you want to do it, sometimes again the app icon you might need to switch between big and small depending on it. So here for example, it's a little bit different on each phone, so you want to go ahead and play with it. See, as you can see here, now it's bigger. Previously it looked like it was smaller, but that's how you can go ahead and change the app icon size. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.